Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So, I thought I would do a little something with you guys today. I have these tips I bought from Amazon. They are, I don't know how to pronounce that, but one stand, nail tips, art store, almond nail tips, 12 sizes, soft gel, not easy to break, keep lasting for a better you. This is what they look like from the front and the side, which they are very cute. They are a little, they are adorable. Absolutely adorable. Look at that. Look how cute. I have one on right now, as you can see. I used a cat's eye and a little bit of chrome and a little bit of glitter liner. But today we're going to do the rest of my hand here. So I'm going to properly size these out really quick. Alright, beauties, so once I have them all sized out like so, I'm going to come in and push back my cuticles a little bit. Have them off for a few days, so yeah. These tips feel very good, very sturdy, you guys. They're very nice to wear. I actually enjoy it. I can't even hardly tell it's there. But it is adorable. Look at that. That's stinking cute. So, I put them on with some nail gel press-on glue here from Gelin. And all I do is just, whoa. First off, I use a little glass pusher and etch the inside of them out, really scratch them up a little bit. They are gel, so that will stick, but I just want to make it better adhesion, so I just use my little stick here and do that. And then put some on and pop her in the light. Just a little tiny bit. A little goes a long way, you guys. These are little tips, so you don't need a bunch of glue. So put it on, slide it back, press it down, and voila. Alright, now remember, guys, I just etched the inside using my glass file. My broken one from Amazon. I bought 4, but I'm using this one for this reason. You know. So, yeah. And then I just pop some glue in. Flip her over. Slide it back. Voila. Alrighty, guys. Now I have them all on. They are adorable. I filed around the cuticles a little bit, just cleaned them up, and now they are ready. So, I did is add a base coat. I'm going to use my venalisa base coat, and we've got you guys now. So, look guys, let's get to it. I got this lilycute. It is what I have on here. It is a luminous reflective cat magnetic gel. Very pretty. So we're gonna put a layer on here. I want to do one nail at a time because when you bring the magnet in, it'll mess up your line if you have the other one here. So, make sure they're up. Look at that. adorable they are. Aren't they? I went ahead and redid this one because I wanted all to match. So I didn't want the gold liner on the around it. These are adorable. Guys, I'm like totally torn. I know I'm not used to these, but I'm torn whether I should do designer nails or what to do, guys? What to do? What you guys can do? So, I think I will go with Bumble. Still a little bit of summer. Get a pair of tweezers, pointy, little sharp suckers. So watch, they will hurt you guys. They are very sharp, very sharp. So I'm gonna get some of these off like so. Watch the nail like so. Use this other side to mash it down on there properly. Voila. Fucking adorable, guys. Tell me that ain't adorable. Please, tell me. Yeah, because it is. The little bumblebee. Okay. I wanted him right here. There we go. Wanted him there, and I broke the little tail part, of course, guys. That's the best part of it. Get over here. So, put that over there. Like so, the little dots. Dot. That is stinking adorable, is it not, guys? That is cute. Cute. Awfully dark in here. I'm sorry about that, guys. Dark on you. This is cute. So I could add a little flower here too. A little yellow flower would really bring it all together. Like so. Okay. Voila, that is adorable. Adorbs. Oh yeah. Adorable. Now that I have all the cute little stickers on, aren't they freaking adorable, you guys? Oh my goodness. This is too stinking cute. Don't forget to hit that like button for me, you guys. And if you are new and like what you see, you're welcome. Go ahead and subscribe if you would like to join our happy little nail club here. Love to have you. So I got these from Amazon. These are glass, like Swarovski shine. They are gorgeous. Oh, stunning. So to apply them, I'm gonna go ahead and use this little precision glue nail. chirper thingy. And go to town, guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. Trying to find a couple of the littler ones. Making sure to put it the right side up because they are so stinking shiny. Oh God, these are adorable, guys. Oh yes, ma'am. It's an adorable set. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna nuke that, guys. Alrighty, guys. Here's the final look. Aren't they freaking adorable? Wow. Yes, they are. Absolutely love them. They came out really cute, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Leave me a comment. Till I talk at you beauties again. Toodaloo, guys. I'll get you an outside shot. Thanks, guys. Ready, guys. Here they are. Gorgeous. Stunning. Let me know what you guys think. Drop me a comment. Till I talk at you beauties again, guys. Toodaloo, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, they are adorbs. Adorable. Very cute, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Here's a clip of them glowing, you guys. Aren't they adorable? Later, guys.